Hello students, welcome once again to our channel Score High to Soar High. In this video series, we have been uploading notes related to ICSE Class 6 Geography. In this video, we are going to continue with the questions and exercises related to Chapter 2 Landforms of the Earth. Actually, this is the part 4 of this video series. Come on, let us continue with our studies. Time to learn. Exercise A, fill in the blanks. 1. The forces which originate from within the earth are called dash forces, endogenic forces. We have already learned that there are two types of forces that originate from earth. One is from the outer surface of the earth, that is known as exogenic force, and another one is from within the earth, that is from the inside part of the earth, which is known as endogenic force. So here the answer is endogenic. Question number 2. The dash fold mountains have conical peaks. Conical peaks are the features of young fold mountains. So here the answer is young. Question number 3. The plateaus that are partly or completely enclosed by mountains are called dash plateaus, intermontane plateaus. So intermontane plateaus are plateaus which are enclosed by mountains in all its sides. Question number 4. Dash is an important occupation in the plateaus. The answer is mining. We do know that in Deccan Plateau there are more coal reserves are there. So coal mining is taking place in Deccan Plateau region. So mining is an important occupation in the plateaus. Fifth one, the West Siberian plain is an erosional plain. The West Siberian plain is an example of erosional plain, which means the plain which is formed due to the erosion by river water. Exercise B, match the columns. Here, two phrases are given. We are supposed to match them correctly. Number 1, exogenic forces. Number 2, Appalachian. That means Appalachian mountains. Third one is Block Mountain. Fourth one is Plateau region of Greenland. Fifth one is Pine Plain. Here, beside this erosional plain, here option 5 is marked. So the correct matching is erosional plain and Pine Plain. So this Pine Plain is an example of what? Erosional plain. So these two get matched. And near this phrase Horst Mountain, option 3 is given. So this option 3, Block Mountain and Horst Mountain, these are matching perfectly. The another name of Block Mountain is nothing but Horst Mountain. Then here beside this gradational force, option 1 is given. So its correct match is 1, exogenic forces. So gradational force is an example of what? Exogenic forces. Here, beside this phrase old fold mountain, option 2 is given. So where is option 2 here? Appalachian mountain. So the Appalachian mountain is an example of old fold mountain. Then beside this continental plateau, option 4 is given. So where is option 4 here? Plateau region of Greenland. So the Plateau region of Greenland is an example of what? Continental plateau. Now, exercise 3. Write 2 examples of each. Number 1, fold mountains, the Himalaya, the Andes. Number 2, rift valleys, the Great Rift Valley, the Rhine Rift Valley. Number 3, intermontane plateaus, the plateau of Tibet, the Bolivian plateau. Number 4, structural plains. Here the options are typed wrongly, so I have correctly matched it with this one. So what are the 2 examples of structural plains? The eastern coastal plain of India and the Great Plains. 5th one, depositional plains. Here there is no problem, straight away you can read it. The 2 examples are Ganga Brahmaputra Valley and Po Valley. 6th one, lava plateau. For this the examples are Deccan Plateau and Malwa Plateau. Next one, exercise D, give reason for the following. Number 1, the mountains are less populated than the plains. What are the reasons? The reasons are given below. One is the flat surface of plains facilitates, it means helps, the construction of buildings and roads. Next point, plains support agriculture, settlements and transportation. These are the 2 reasons why the mountains are less populated than the plains. Next one, second question, the plains are also called lowlands. The plains are also called lowlands. The reasons are, plains are relatively flat and low-lying lands. There are almost no difference between their highest and the lowest points. So, they are also called lowlands. With this video has come to an end. Let us meet in the next video with another set of questions.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos. Thank you.